Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be taking you on a road trip from Regina, Saskatchewan to Calgary, Alberta, road trip style. So stay tuned. So I started this trip the best way I know how, which is my hair first. So I needed to moisturize my hair to make sure my hair had enough moisture for the whole trip. So first I wanted to make this Fulani hairstyle where you have the curves, the squares and those kind of styles, but I was too lazy. I even gave up before I started. So I just wanted to make something simple, something I could just attach my half wig and make life easy for me during the vacation. I don't have to straighten my hair or detangle my natural hair. That was the main purpose. So after this, I needed to do some finishing touches to my packing, make sure I had all the items I needed in my carry-on, and it was time for me to go. So for people that didn't book their flights early, we had to go with a ride. And we had to book a ride through Poparide. If you haven't heard about Poparide, it's a Canadian carpool platform where you share a ride with someone already heading your way. So it's budget friendly, low impact, and it's also a fun way to get to meet people actually. Our driver pulled up in a Tesla Model X. So the trip was already given luxury. The drive from Regina to Calgary is about 7 to 8 hours, but with an EV, you have to build in charging time as well. So we made around 4 stops, including Moisture, Swift Current, Medicine Hat, Books, which honestly became a perfect time for you to stretch, grab a snacks, or do something if you want to do. And pro tips for you: if you're traveling on a long trip, make sure you have your playlist ready. And also a power bank, very important. Now, if you're a book reader, grab a book to read. And also the charging window is a good time for you to go to the bathroom, do some walks. For me, I was literally bloated throughout the journey, so it was a good opportunity for me to stretch my leg. I took walks anytime we stopped. So we arrived at our Airbnb at night. I won't tell you the exact time so you won't scare certain people. But man, we arrived at this Airbnb. It was located in the southeast part of Calgary, and it was 45 minutes away from when we got into the city. And this guy was so nice to drop us at our exact location. And first impression matters. When we got into this Airbnb, oh my God, bless madam. It was given this clean, modern, and lively vibes. The place was just so nice. She even had to she was very detailed. And to be honest, Calgary is large. It is huge. And it's actually one of the largest cities in Canada. It's actually the 4th largest city in Canada. And with 1.6 million people in the metro area. So you can actually imagine. So our movement around the city was taking us about 45 minutes. I kid you not. Meanwhile, where I'm coming from, it takes me 15 minutes to go anywhere I'm going to. From the farthest east section to the north to downtown, to take nothing more than 15 minutes. So it was quite shocking for me that I had to move around the city to take me 45 minutes. But another good thing about this Calgary is that places like Canmore and Bath was 1 hour away. So it was a good kudos to them. Yeah. So overall, it wasn't just a road trip. It was a smooth, budget, smart way to travel with a little, EV adventure sprinkled in. So yeah, that was my road trip from Regina to Calgary in a Tesla, and it wasn't a bad trip at all. In fact, it was such a unique experience. I got to learn about EV travels and also discover a bit about Calgary's beauty. So what I will say to you is that stay tuned, because I'll be sharing more from my Calgary adventure. So I don't think you want to miss anything. So just stay tuned. So thank you for coming along with me today, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more lifestyle content and travel vlogs. But until then, keep being amazing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Toodles.